first video of my page. It's a challenge and I wanted to learn English and the trading at a time. And the reason of that, why I created this Instagram page, is I'm like losing my ambitions and the time. And also, if I say this word is wrong, please comment below down. And I'm just trying to do some things with myself. And another reason of that why I created this channel is I wanted to look up my journey while I'm doing something, and if I do something wrong, I'm gonna look up back, and after that I will try to arrange this thing what I did, like which was wrong. And so that's why I created that account for the sharing, documenting, and after that I will try to figure out what I did